Daily action verbs. Go.
Go.
Go to school. Come.
Come.
Come here. Stop.
Stop.
Stop running. Stop.
Start.
Start the game. Look.
Look.
Look at the sky. See?
See.
I see a bird. Touch.
Touch.
Touch the ball. Hold.
Hold.
Hold my hand. Give.
Give.
Give me the toy. Take.
Take.
Take your pencil. Help.
Help.
Help your friend. Love.
Love.
I love my family. Like, I like ice cream. Fine.
Find.
Find the star. Hide.
Hide.
Hide under the table. Open.
Open.
Open the window. Close.
Close.
Close your eyes. Turn.
Turn.
Turn around. Move.
Move.
Move your chair. Try.
Try.
Try again.